Wow, how cool is that thing in the servo? Check that out. Looks like an old sturdy bait fishtail or something. Let's follow him. We'll follow him and see where he goes and have a chat if we can. We're here with Johno this morning. We're having a look at his 1930s Ford build-up. Just run into him in the car park here, and wow, let's get a look at this. How are you, Johno?
Good, yourself?
Good, mate, good. Tell us about this thing. What year, what have we got here?
The chassis is 1934, came from a farm up the road, donated by Bill Horrocks. And the cowl came from the same place, the windscreen posts, and most of the doors.
Yeah,
not all
right.
Of them, but just the top, and apparently the rest of the car went down the well. And some folk tried to recover bits of it but weren't successful.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How deep's the well out there? Like you?
I don't know. I think standing water level was about down around 50 feet. I think a lot of stuff around 100. So,
yeah.
So probably about that. Yeah.
Oh, it's so cool. So a flathead Ford engine?
Yeah, the last of them, the 8BA one, stock motor.
Yeah.
Just cleaned it up and all, new pumps on it, and put a T5 overdrive box behind it.
Yeah, beautiful.
And with a 36 diff, and it just sits on the speed limit nicely, and it'll overtake at that. And
I noticed how quiet it was too. It's just it's a beautiful, smooth way it runs down the road.
Yeah, some of the original flathead Ford motors, when they come out, they had a hard time telling if they were running or not. You have to stick your finger in the fan. But,
yeah, they're quiet, aren't they?
They are. Once they've been apart and back together again, they're just sort of
smooth,
never quite as well as the original, but
they're
still no rocker gear to make a noise.
Yeah, that's true too. Yeah.
One of the points. But,
and the headlights, they're
36 from the Toowoomba shop, mate.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, $50 for the pair of them.
$50 for the pair.
Yeah, a few years
My God, if you had to
now,
buy them now, they'd be like over $1,000.
They wouldn't be cheap.
Yeah.
They're just seal beams in behind there.
Yeah. And the cover over the proper glass over the top.
Proper glass over the top.
Yeah. And the grill, that looks pretty.
Yeah.
Did you do that?
Yeah, the top part came from a 1930 era truck from Nev Morris's place.
Oh yeah, so that's down to there, or?
Yeah, that runs down to there.
Yeah.
And then that's just a bit inch water pipe.
Yeah.
Bend around and just fabricated up that bit. And,
yeah, no, it looks very good.
And stuck him in,
Yeah.
Well,
let's have a look inside. What this?
Got the Mexican blankets.
Autobahn seat cover?
Yeah, Bondwood caravan cushions.
Yeah.
Cushions. Chev, 39 Chev steering wheel.
Yeah.
A lot of the around the switches and that's all bone from the local the local butcher up the road.
Yeah, right.
Abattoirs.
Did you carve them out yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
Done with a Dremel.
Yeah, I like that, how that's done.
They come up well then.
Yeah, matches the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Geez, the steering wheel's in good nick. What year you talking on the steering wheel?
39 Chev.
39 Chev, yeah.
Yeah, that was donated by Woody.
Yeah.
He was my neighbour at the time.
It's like an enamel bake on it, is it?
Yeah. Like pearlite sort of stuff.
Yeah.
Well, it's not really pearlite, is it? Yeah, it's a nice finish.
Yeah, solid.
With a bit of bone on the door handles
Yeah.
too, and a friend of mine, Steptoe from Brimaru Motors, did all the wiring for me.
Yeah.
And a lot of advice with putting the thing together too, because he sort of knows what will go with what.
It's
and
done it
what'll
before,
fit
yeah.
what,
What links, what
Yeah.
marries into another
Yeah,
different model, yeah.
Saved me a lot of
Suicide
time.
doors.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a lift to it, is it?
Just close the handle a bit again.
Oh,
that
okay,
comes
yeah.
open And, yeah, nearly lost the wife a couple of times out of hers, but we've got a bit of extra doors on it. And gone.
Nearly lost you.
Yeah, now it's got a, down the bottom it's got a lock.
Oh, okay.
Make sure she
Strap you in.
stays there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah,
Steptoe did
wow.
the wiring. Took him a little time. I spent a bit of time making these while he was doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, just little
Arms with the hand grabbing onto the mirror. Yeah.
Just,
Got the tilt steering, tilt windscreen in it.
yeah.
Yeah. No, very nice. So tell us about the tail end of it, Johno. This doesn't look original.
Yeah, well, my dad had a boat tail roadster in the mid-50s and had a top of rainwater tank they used for the back of it. And,
Yeah, right.
oh, it sort of looked a bit ugly, so I try and make something look a bit better.
Yeah. No, you've done a fantastic job on that. Did you shaped some of this aluminium up?
Yeah.
Yeah. What, do you use an English wheel on that, or?
Yeah, a friend lent us an English wheel
Yeah.
and give us a drum on how to use it a bit, and really enjoyed doing that. And
Yeah.
I'd love to be able to do a bit more. But
Yeah, it's relaxing, isn't it?
yeah, well, up to a point until your neck goes out.
Yeah. And all pop riveted together. That's like aeroplane look, you know, the old.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if I could TIG weld like you, I would have TIG welded it together.
Yeah,
but
I don't know. I reckon that looks better, to tell you the truth.
How many rivets did you use?
How many rivets in
about
there?
700, I think.
700 rivets.
Yeah, about 700 rivets.
Yeah.
And the timber work, I went to the trouble of finding a log with a bit of a bend in it, with the
Yeah.
slab that out of to
Yeah, nice.
get the bend.
What about your corner pieces there?
Yeah, just fabricated them up and
Yeah, nice.
put it in the forge and try and hold it all together,
Yeah.
that sort of thing.
Yeah. Bit of a homemade filler cap there.
They come from the local cheese factory, and a bit of casting, lost wax casting for the skull
Yeah.
on the top of an old cheese vat. And this is the sheets of aluminium were $1 each out of the local scrapyard,
Yeah, yeah.
and
I like how you've upcycled everything. You're just using stuff that's, haven't gone down to the local aluminium store and bought all new.
no.
Do you do the flutes in there as well?
Yeah, that was the first attempt at louvers. And
Would you press them out in like a bit of timber block or something?
No, I made up a die out of metal,
Yeah.
two-piece one, and then just I drilled the holes at the end with too big a drill, really. So
Oh, okay.
They should have been the same size as my cut-off
As the
disc.
cut, yeah.
And so I'll go for next time. But,
Actually, I don't mind that look. I think the circle at the end is a little bit engineered as well.
adds to it. Yeah,
Yeah.
It's only held with the 4 rivets, and then that comes off, and there's a place I can put a spare tyre on there.
Oh, I see. Yeah, you can see where it's been rubbing. Yeah.
Same as there's a rack that goes on the back.
Yeah.
Across there.
Oh, okay.
But I took it off. But
Yeah.
I like the streamline look
Yeah.
of it. And
Can you start it up for us, mate, so we can have a listen to it? Unreal. Unreal. So she'll do 100, will she, mate? Yeah. Yeah.
Not the fastest thing off the line.
Nah.
We're just sort of down and gentle.
And when we followed you down, it was just running real smooth. It was beautiful to.
Yeah, I'm quite pleased the way it come out.
Yeah.
The fit and finish could have been a lot better, but I'd still be
That's
working.
part of the character. That's part of the character.
I was trying to do that, I think.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wow. Well, thanks for having a talk with us, mate. It's been really good chatting with you.
No worries, Lockie.
And
Yeah, thanks.
we'll catch up soon. Might come up for a trip up to the top, up to the mountains up there, and
Yeah.
come and see all the rest of the stuff that you've got.
Yard full of junk.
Cheers, mate. Cheers.
No worries, thanks.